Good afternoon, my all dear students. In this class, today we will discuss about the environment pollution or very specifically environmental pollution. So, in this situation, not only in this situation, nowadays, as the population of the world increases so fast and the environment becomes more poorer due to the human activities and we are in danger. So today in this scope or in this short time we want to discuss about the pollution and about the environment, and it is a very hot topic in present scenario. So before going to detailed discussion of the environment pollution, first you have to know what is environment. So you are very well known that environment is nothing. Environment is my surrounding, your surrounding, our surrounding. So the environment is that now I am in my home. So home is my surrounding. After that there will be lots of trees, birds, sky. So all of the thing are basically the part of the environment which is surrounded myself or yourself. Is this clear? So hope you understand this thing. Now the term pollution. So pollution is simply defined as that is the contamination of the system, or very easy term or very easily you can use, that is mixing of unwanted matter to the environment is called environment pollution. So student, please note that pollution means unwanted matter in the system. So if you consider the air pollution, that is the unwanted gases in air. If you think water pollution, that is unwanted matter in the water. Solid soil pollution, so that is unwanted matter in the soil. So I hope that you understand this, that is pollution. Now these are all are described here, that is in environmental pollution. That is environmental pollution can be defined as by undesirable, that is undesirable. So it is nothing, that is I just said that is unwanted material in the environment and which can harmful for us or environment, and this is pollution. And the pollutant is the unwanted matter those create problem in the system or in our environment. It may be living system, it may be non-living system. Like bacteria, viruses as the living system that create problem in our environment. Non-living system like carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, etc. is all are pollutant. Now, in this short scope of time, I want to discuss about the type of the pollution. I have already told you that different kind of the pollution, that is water pollution, that is contamination of the different unwanted material in the water, air pollution, that is unwanted matter, enter of the unwanted matter in the air, that is carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, lead, etc. Land pollution, noise pollution, these all are the part of the pollution, and ultimately it create a problem in the whole environment. And we are starting with our environmental pollution section or the topic with the air pollution. These are the picture where you can see that the smoke are coming from the industry or power plant, and that contaminated to the air and it create air pollution. So air pollution is the introduction of the chemicals, that means carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, etc., or particulate matter, that is dust particle in the air, or living organism also present in the air, that is bacteria, viruses, etc., create air pollution. So the substance which causes problem or harmful in air or for the living system specifically, then we will call that is air pollutant. So the example of the air pollutant are bacteria, virus, and similarly non-living, that is carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, etc. So student, for today up to this, so next class we will discuss more. And again I am saying, as like every day, if you face any kind of problem, please report to me and you feel free. So thank you very much for your kind attention in this lecture.